In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DSers with TikTok Shop. So, you can streamline your dropshipping workflow and boost your styles on how are one of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms in here. So first, make sure you are logged in with DSers dashboard. If you haven't created an account yet, you can head over to the DSers official website. And in here, you'll need to um, log in first with your TikTok Shop and make sure that your TikTok shop is verified in order to access the store management and in order to click the ad store. So from the list of platforms, select the TikTok shop. So yeah, assumingly we've finished this process, this steps in here. So DSers will prompt you to log into your TikTok shop seller centers. So follow the instructions, authorize DSers, and your store will be now linked. So now, in terms of importing products from AliExpress, so just like you normally would use the Deezer's Chrome extension for a faster process. So once imported, you can edit product details, pricing, and descriptions before pushing them to your TikTok shop. So after setting your preferences, click push to store and select TikTok shop. So Deezers will publish your product directly to your TikTok shop product listings. So when a customer places an order on your TikTok shop, Deezers will sync it automatically so you can fulfill the order directly from Deezers using your Map AliExpress supplier. So everything from the order tracking to shipping updates will flow back to your TikTok shop seamlessly. And that's how to use Deezers with TikTok shop in 2025. It's super easy, super efficient, and perfect for building a low maintenance dropshipping store on one of the hottest platforms right now. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.